Welcome to Single Survey in Excel. Today we're going to do a menu overview. When you first open Excel, Excel opens up a single worksheet with the generic name Sheet 1 and a generic file name called Book 1. The Excel ribbon user interface is made up of the following components. The first part is the File tab. This tab opens up the Backstage view, which contains a bunch of file-related options such as Info, New, Open, Save, Save As, History, which is currently unavailable, Print, Share, Export, Publish, Close, Account, Feedback, Options. Pressing this back arrow takes you right back to your worksheet. The next part is the Quick Access Toolbar. This is located on the top left corner of the workbook. This part of the program contains quick access to save, undo, and redo. You can also customize the Quick Access Tool button to the immediate right of the Redo button to add additional commands as seen here. Clicking on any one of these will add this to the Quick Access Toolbar. Next we'll talk about the Ribbons tab. Most commands are contained on the ribbon. They are arranged into a series of tabs from Home through Power Pivot. Depending on your version of Excel, you may not see all these options such as Power Pivot. I'm currently using Excel version 2019. Next is the name box and formula bar as seen here. The name box displays the address of the current cell, and the formula bar shows the content of the cell or the formula. So for example, if I select cell B3, you'll see B3 in the name box. But since the cell is empty, you don't see anything in the formula bar. So if I typed in the word content, you would see the word content in the formula bar. The worksheet area contains all the cells of the worksheet. They are identified by the column headings, which use letters, and row headings, which use numbers. The bottom of the worksheet contains tabs for selecting a worksheet. In this case, we only have Sheet 1, or you can click on the plus button to create a new worksheet. By doing this, Excel creates a generic worksheet name called Sheet 2. Finally, we have the status bar. This bar is located on the very bottom of your workbook. This bar keeps you informed of the program's current mode and any special keys you engage. For example, we have the word content on B3. If we select the word content and hit Ctrl-C for copy, you'll see that the status bar says select destination and press enter or choose paste. So if we went to our destination of D3 and hit enter, we have pasted content onto cell D3. It also allows you to select a new worksheet view. We are currently on the normal view, which is shown right here. You can also click on page layout and page break preview, which shows you all the page breaks for formatting purposes. We also have the zoom bar, which allows you to magnify Excel on the screen. This is typically good for when you have to do a presentation on a worksheet to a group of people on a projector. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment in the section below. Also, like and subscribe and click the bell icon for updates on new videos.